Hello! In this video I will set up the Windows driver and show how to print the custom templates. I will demonstrate the following in this video. Find more videos about TR150 printer by clicking the upper right corner of the screen. The PIXMA in this video is already connected to my network. When you insert the original PIXMA TR150 CD, you get the following files, and if you run the easy setup, you get the instructions how to set up your device. For Windows installation, you go into the Win folder and run the setup. This will install the driver for your PIXMA TR150. The installation of the driver has been finished, and let's create now a template, which can be any document. Run the printer driver preferences. And in the main tab on the driver, select Save to the printer as a custom template and print. You can save up to 5 templates to your printer. To print the uploaded template, go to the Template Print menu and print. You can change name or delete the template. I just printed my first template and now I want to edit this template. If I print it again, I will get an error. I need to delete the existing print job and delete the template which was previously uploaded to the printer. Now I can print again. I have re-uploaded the template, and that would be all in this video. And you can find more about your printer by getting into the online manual, the section Getting the Most Out of Your Printer. As this is portable printer, you will find Print While Away from Home. I recommend reading this part of the manuals, but you can find more information about this printer also in my videos by clicking the right upper corner of the screen, where you will find my playlist about the PIXMA portable printers. And you're also welcome to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you will be notified about my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye. Hey Google. Talk to Canon printer and print an easy number place puzzle.
Printing for you now.